na? So many times it got cut yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah. So 2 points I want to cover today. First is there is a levels of financial growth. So our financial growth starts with no work. Huh? We just are dependent on someone and we get money. And so no work. No work to we go to the hard work. Once you do hard work and you get the experiential understanding and little awareness, you do little smart work. Hmm? Means you create multiple sources of income, and in financial growth multiple times means 7 times. So average millionaire has got 7 sources of income. How you will say कि एक करने कोई time नहीं मिलता है, how it is possible? It is through of investments that we will come to know under the class of money management and what is MSI, which is concept told by Bob Proctor in 2000 only, 20 years back. Means we know that as an Indian we know कि we have seen many people कि उनका multiple businesses है. But that is again little hard work. So how smart work is there? So that we will cover up. So that goes from the hard work to smart work. Then you have to do the play the money game to play yourself and retire. That is financial freedom. No, if you know that this much is enough for me, even if I don't work, I need 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh to maintain my lifestyle after you create asset. So that even if you don't work or if you are not there in this world also, that income will come. So that's why we asked what is enough, what is not enough. So that we will keep on discussing. And one more thing is, we think money is not a spiritual thing. Means it is a very much block is there, no? If you have too much money, means that person is not a spiritual person. He's not a good person. That childhood block is there, but it is not. As you keep on getting money, you become a better and better person. You become more and more humble if it is managed in a proper way. From where it is coming and how you manage and how you can do things. So spiritual quotient is always greater than your emotional quotient. SQ is always greater than EQ. Emotional quotient is always greater than your intelligent quotient. So how much you are expert in making money is not important. What are the your emotions and positive emotions around that is important. And more than that, how spiritual you are. Again, spiritual means a good human being. Like you are humble, then you are contributing, you are having compassion, all that. And then believing in your own religion and doing something for the community and all that. Contribution, it is a more of contribution. So in money, if your spiritual quotient increases, your emotional quotient increases, and your IQ is less important in money. So that is the thing. And always, it is not like that you will sit at home in the beginning and money will come. You have to make money and manage money so that money works for you. That is the stages of growth. So money is equal to time. So how you manage your time and put actions in money generation, whether you work for 4 hours or you work for 8 hours or 12 hours, 14 hours, in that, what is your productivity towards the money actions, toward generating money is more important. Like she works for 8 to 12 hours. She also practices for 8 hours. That is one source of income. You have jobs for 8 to 10 hours. That is your money generation. But in that 8 hours also, how you generate is important. So now I'm giving you a very good tool that is called 168 planner. Have you noticed that you have got 168 hours per week? So how you manage that time is important. So making of time blocks. This is my personal time. So I will not do anything in my personal time. This is my money generation time. So I will not attend anything which is not related with the money generation. This is my family time. This is my lunch time. So I will just show a picture, means that file, it is Excel file, and I will be posting that. So you make your thing. So that will be very clear. I know this is my personal time. So if I'm not getting any abundance, like abundance ritual, we keep saying, na, mere ko time nahi mila. But you know why you have to do this to get the result. Somehow you will squeeze the time. Then you will get up 1 hour early or you sleep 1 hour late. So if that planner is there in front of you, you will do a color coding. Oh, this is my time. If I'm not getting time between morning 8 to 8, there is no time because I'm busy in my profession, then I cannot do ritual. Then which is the time? Then you will only figure out yourself. It will take little time, but use this planner. I'll just show you. Can you see now?
Yes.
Yeah, this is a planner 160. So I just manage. This is actually we got from BNI. See, you have to see the block from Monday to Sunday, then 4 to 4:30 means I get up at 4. That's why I written 4. But you can start writing also. Keep it blank, no problem. So between 4 to 9:30 is my personal. Means it was in lockdown. I had changed little bit, but I'll just what does it mean? This green is my personal time. So I will do what I like. So I will do regarding my health activities, my meditation, my rituals, something like that. From 9:30 to 12:30 was communication time or my business time, like that. Means working on money. That was thing there. I mean, this was a color coding, but I'll just tell you, this 8 to 8:30 was my breakfast time, and 1:30 to 2 was my lunch time. So you had to really allocate the time also, half an hour, 15 minutes or half an hour, because in that half an hour you just be away from any distractions, mobile and all that. You think if you want to give only 15 minutes, you give 15 minutes, but you really give time for your breakfast. इधर उधर थोड़ा चलेगा 15-20 मिनट, but you give a fixed slot. Between that only I will have a breakfast, and then accordingly you can inform at home. Males can inform at home, or if you are outside, then you have to manage like that. It's better, but if you are traveling, then it's not manageable. But at least you know that okay, this is my personal time. So morning time में आपकी जो personalized activity होती है ना, morning rituals, that will make you a better person. Like doing of affirmation, visualization, if you are doing any health exercises, yoga, meditation, whatever it comes to your mind, do it before your day starts. Listening to some good CDs. So while walking, you can do that. So 2 in 1 काम हो जाता है. So you can use that activity. So morning time is your, and unless you give time for yourself, at least for 30 minutes to 1 hour, your day will not go productive. So you see that means I have written 3 years back, I was not बिल्कुल time नहीं था. So I had written that time I want 3 hours of my personal time. And that time it was very impossible. I started getting up early. So you can have between क्या करना है. Between means your work starts from 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, like that. Then lunch time, and what time you sleep. I had just written like that. So I written the yellow time is, you can do the color coding like this. I will send this format and you can do accordingly. Little bit you got idea. So half an hour, ka na, when you sit on that planner and you really see, look at your day. Okay, what time I get up? What do I do? When do I start my work? Actually, what is my breakfast time, lunch time? So you have a, sir, what do you call? The audit of your time of the day, and just plan. Okay, this is my personal time. This is my business or a job time, business time, or a professional time, whatever you say. And the other time you give for your lunch and all that. Even that traveling time, if you are traveling to your office and all, you consider in that time only. Yeah? If your job time is 9:30, Chanmase, and you are leaving home at 8:30, then you consider 8:30 to that. But while traveling, you can utilize that time by learning or listening something like that.
Okay.
So manage your time is very important. That's what I mean. And when you will follow this planner, you will know ki how much time really gets wasted if you don't do a time log. This is called time log activity. So do it for some time. At least plan color, do a color coding, keep in front of you or keep on your mobile. Try to do it. Over a period of time, you will be able to do it. Means it is just to give you awareness ki if you plan it properly, you can manage the time properly. If you cannot plan, then you will always say ki I did not get time to do this. So we have to correct ourselves. Nobody is perfect. So we learn that way only. Now, again, I'm taking you to, yesterday we forgot now. So I have sent the links of those videos. You can see whenever you have got time, and during this Diwali time, 3-4 days, you can see. Now I'm taking again through a visualization video with the intention Now you just write on your notepad health 1 to 3. Health 1 to 3. So while visualizing, you just pick up things which you can start doing it after seeing the images. So that is your goal. Okay. If I'm not able to get up early, that is my first goal. Okay, I will start getting up 1 hour early. Maybe the for health, I will change my diet. I'm having a lot of oily diet or something like whatever you get to your mind. Or maybe I will start walking, or maybe I will start little stretch exercise, whatever comes. But you take some goal for your health. 3 goals you write. Goal means not has to be very big, a very small thing also which you need to add to your daily routine. So health you will write 3, money goals you will write 3. Money का तो बहुत आएगा, but at present you just pick up 3. Relationship with spouse and kids, you write 3. Just pick up these images from this. Just pick up these. Good morning, Mishra ji. So we are just starting the exercise now. You have missed the earlier part where I have shared a 168 hours planner, how you can plan. And I think I have not given the planner, but I have helped you in identifying your blocks. No? ये time पे ये करो, ये time पे ये करो. So I will share that calendar and talk to you later regarding that. Health, relationship with spouse or relationship means that is not only the emotions, you can spending time, travel time, vacation time. And with kids के साथ 3 goals. Maybe the education का हो जाएगा, or just giving a 15 minutes every day, putting him into the class, whatever it comes. And then your personal learning goal. मुझे ये सीखना है. Maybe हो सकता है मुझे म्यूजिक सीखना है, डांस सीखना है, कार ड्राइविंग सीखना है, anything. So the personal learning goal. So learn हो गया, earn हो गया. Now you write 3 give goals. Give goals. आप क्या दोगे? आपके अंदर क्या है तो क्या दोगे? तो first thing I want you to, all of you to write कि I can मेरे में means whatever the knowledge I have from my life. I know everybody has got their own story which they have overcome. Positive जो भी है कि सक्सेस अचीवमेंट होता है ना, तो you will give in the form of book, a small ebook. Don't get how I will do it. I will tell you how to get it. Ebook. How many of you are happy? Yes, if you are able to share your knowledge in the form of ebook.
Me.
Yes.
Me too.
Yes. So it is not a very big thing. It was a very big thing 1 year back to me, but I have learned it and it is very easy. All we think कि कितना time लगता है उसका. So I have created so many ebooks in the recent time. The first ebook I was created is 21 empowering morning rituals for your personal mastery. That took me time and that I launched in March, lockdown mein. So you can write book, then you can write in the form of training, in the form of your training module.
And when your next book will be supposed to be released?
Huh?
Your book will be ready by when?
नहीं, ऑलरेडी बहुत सारा किया है मैंने.
अच्छा, तो वो कॉपी आपने भेजी?
इंस्टा स्टोरी ना, फर्स्ट इज मैंने मॉर्निंग रिचुअल्स का किया था, ई बुक किया है. ई बुक में प्रिंटिंग नहीं होता, पब्लिशिंग नहीं होता, बट दीज 2 books आर कमिंग इनटू पब्लिशिंग. One is discover the 9 abundance secrets. I have already shared it, but it will be in so much of depth. 9 secrets of abundance and 9 secrets of money growth and personal growth. So that will come binding form.
Yeah, I'm very excited to read it.
हाँ.
एक दिन में पढ़ लूँगा.
कवर भी रेडी है. This is there.
एक दिन में पढ़ लूँगा मैं इसको.
हाँ. So you can write in the form of book, in the form of webinar or lecture or training like that, and in the form of maybe any charitable work you want to do, charitable organization. Just think, if the money is there, what will happen? Like she wants to do some you think, like I have decided in my charity work is, means which I have seen very closely, is critically ill patients. Even if they have got money, nobody is there to look after those very, very rich people. and they just throw them at home and nobody is to look after, even if they have got money. So critically ill patients का जो ऐसे vegetable बन जाते हैं ना, and even Down syndrome. My friend only, he's an oncosurgeon, उसका लड़का Down syndrome का है. He has got money. He spends 1 lakh rupees a month on him just to have a personal assistant and his therapies. But then, since he has money, the no potential has come from the syndrome. But they got a lot of. So just means I will not be doing, but I will be helping and collaborating with some people in future, not now, in future, but something charitable which you want to, maybe the orphans, critically ill patients, or whatever comes to your mind. कौन से कम्युनिटी के लिए स्पेसिफिकली आप चैरिटी देना चाहते हैं? ऑर्फन हो गया, एजुकेशनल ट्रस्ट हो गया, यू जस्ट राइट, because that is also a very future. When you know ki when lot of money is coming, then you form a charitable trust. How to form? I'll just give you an idea. That's what I have learned, and then how you can save the tax also and show that comes. That's what most of the people they do. Okay, so we'll start with the visualization video. It's a 11 to 12 minute is there. So just write whatever comes after seeing. ये देखने से आपका एक emotion आ जाता है. Yes, I need this. I need comfort लगता है, whatever. मनी में ज्यादा भी लिख सकते हैं आप. मैंने 3 ही बोला, अगर आप ज्यादा पिकअप कर सकते ज्यादा भी लिख सकते. stop. Yeah. Okay. So great. Hope you could do the. Right. Stop that.
Hold me close till I get up. Time
Why it is doing?
us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Yes, hope you could do some list. And why? Because first day only I told you to make a goal card. That is regarding only the financial per month that you keep. But there are three things, like you must have taken something about health, something about relationship and money. And you make a simple, because if I tell you, okay, take a printout on a smart card, laminate it, it takes time. But what you can do immediately is take some card sheet, some color paper. बच्चों के पास होगा आपका. So you can just write, I am happy and grateful that your health goal, whatever the first or money goal. I written, I am happy and grateful that I have created 9 sources of multiple sources. The feeling of significance, growth, personal excellence, security, and freedom. So what feeling you want if you create those sources of income or your financial goal, earning this much of every month or having assets of your money goal should be first, because we are doing workshop now. So let's have money goal first. I'm happy and grateful that in present test, I have created so many sources of income, creating this much of income per month. You just write a feeling of, then you write what feeling you will have after you achieve. So for me, it is significance, growth, personal excellence, security, and freedom. For me, it is. So I don't know for you what it is. Then I have also written second, I'm happy and grateful that I am giving 3 hours to personal growth. ये मैंने पहले ही लिखा था, personal growth, and I have written my weight also, and really it has come true. So what feeling will get? I will be in peak health, youthful skin, and more energy. So health, why I'm happy and grateful that you are ideal weight, whatever health goal is there. I'm having a good diet. What is your health goal? Because health अच्छा आपका नहीं होगा ना, you will not be able to productive. So you have to focus on health and deliberately give time for health, 15-30 minutes, walk करो, कुछ करो, आपकी energy आ जाएगी. So what will give you is, for me, is youthful feeling, energy and all that. तो आपका क्या होगा वो लिख दीजिए. Maybe you are having some health issues, so getting free of those health issues. And third मैंने लिखा है, which is my third मैंने specifically लिखा है, I'm happy. Everybody का I'm just guiding you कि मैंने लिखा था I'm happy and grateful that means already मैंने किया, उसको मैंने अलग कर दिया. I booked my another 4 BHK where I'll be shifting after my son gets married. Means he's 20 now, so when he comes back after 2 years, I want to enter him into the new house when he finishes his graduation degree and give his a specific room, because he has got one room, one additional room I want to give, because he's into a lot of research ना, इधर करके कुछ फेंक देता है. So I want to allocate only one additional room for his research. So like that. So I'm happy and grateful that I have booked 6 BHK house in that theme city which I want, with one more SUV with personal assistant, with one special Maharaj at home, and
मैम बेट्स दोनों कॉपी पेस्ट कर देती हूँ मैं.
copy paste. Okay.
It's easy.
नहीं, वो पर्सनलाइज होना चाहिए आपका वो.
ना आप बेच दो, मैं स्केलेटन वो चेंजेस मॉडिफाई करके अपना नाम लिख दूंगी.
ओके,
अपनी सब कुछ तो मांगा हुआ है, मैं सोचूंगी.
सब कुछ तो वो होता ही है ना. अभी अभी मेरे पास फुल टाइम है, लेकिन इतना सिखाना पड़ता है उसको ना.
हाँ.
ऐसा लगा है कोई फुल्ली महाराज रहता है, मारवाड़ी गुजराती के घर में महाराज होता है, थान से वगैरह ना, वो महाराज रखना है. लेकिन एट प्रेजेंट मैं नहीं रख सकती मेल पर्सन ना. व्हेन माय सन इज देयर देन आई कैन कीप. तो ऐसे है. So like that. So
तो इसको लिख के रखना है क्या?
because I want to see sense of you can say the proud feeling towards mother and sense of happiness on his face. वो देखना है मुझे, because मैंने already किया था when he was 2 years old. That time, see, we got separated at 7, na? So I had booked my house, created a special child room, and I brought him directly there at when he was 2. पहले ही बुक किया था, 1 साल लगा था. तो आई रियली कैप्चर दैट फीलिंग. वो छोटा बच्चा था ना, कितना खुश हो गया था नए घर में आके ना. अभी भी फोटो है उसका मेरे पास में. सो आई वांट टू गिव द सेम फीलिंग नाउ, बिकॉज आई फेल्ट वेरी, क्या बोलते हैं ना, वो अलग ही फीलिंग था वो टाइम पे. द सेम आई वांट नाउ.
Very nice.
Yeah. So right now I have booked 4. I have to increase to 6 now. I have already booked 4, but I want to increase वो इसको करके 6 में कन्वर्ट कर दें. तो 6 कैसे है कि उसके लिए 2 हो गया, एक गेस्ट रूम हो गया और मेरे लिए 1 रूम हो गया, फिर मेरा एक थिंकिंग रूम हो गया और एक ये हो गया. ऐसा थोड़ा कन्वीनियंस के लिए अच्छा लगता है. एंड वॉट एवर दीज,
हमें एंटरटेनमेंट करने का एक रूम, हम जब आएंगे ना आपके घर पे, उसके लिए
हाँ आएंगे ना. यस यस डेफिनेटली, आई विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी. अच्छा लगता है व्हेन समबडी कम्स एंड वी स्पेंड टाइम ना, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. ओ सर करने के लाइक दैट. So whenever you are visualizing, we are seeing very big. So we think ये इतना कैसा land, इतना बंगलो कैसा available है. Not necessarily you have to have that mansion, but the amenities inside, the convenience, we can create in small also. Na? In 1,000 square feet also we can have that whatever we have seen inside. Not necessarily we have to have that 5,000. Bombay में तो possible नहीं at present. 5,000 का एक बंगलो बांध दिया. But if you have, you can shift to any other place. छोटे कर सकते हैं. It depends on you. I like to be in theme city where everything is there. वो management नहीं रहेगा ना. खुद के बंगलों का management बहुत रहेगा.
Yeah.
हाँ. But some people like my brother, he likes bungalow only. Independent चाहिए उसको. So again, हर एक का अलग है ना. So make your goal card. जो एक simple सा बना दो. 3 I am happy and grateful for dash 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 with off, because when you'll focus on the feeling what you will have, that is more important. I think Chandrase has done it earlier ना, वो आपके morning rituals में भी किया होगा.
हमें sources of income का क्या करें, कितने sources of income?
See, you have to start, you have 1, you have to start adding, and then 7 is ideal. 7, so I will tell you the money management. Wait for tomorrow now.
अच्छा, okay.
Money management. And the another class, I'll give tomorrow idea, and then we'll have MSI. Like, see, creating an ebook and selling your ebook is also means ebook and that is also one source of income. No, so I'll tell you. Then having investments is also one source of income. Then I will give you one shocking, surprising piece also. Have you ever thought the having home in other country? We never. Because we think हाँ कभी सोचते नहीं है ना, यूएस में, यूके में तो वो महंगा है, बट
इटली में है,
which are developing countries, we will get a house in 5, 6, 7 lakhs also. तो ऐसे हमने कितने वेस्ट कर दिए, बट 5, 6 lakhs वहाँ पे कर दिया. I'll tell you how to happen. Then वहाँ पे rent out करते हैं. So that is also one source. Real estate. I'll tell you, I'll one by one, but we have to do 1, then 2nd, 3rd, like that setup. Okay then, so hope you'll do that. वो मेरे पास में ही रहता है, ये छोटा वाला मैं ऐसे पास में रहती है. और वो जो है मैंने बताया था गोल कार्ड, वो मॉर्निंग में एंड इवनिंग में देखना है. You have to read your goal card, the financial goal card in the morning and at night also. आपने जितने भी सारे विजुअलाइजेशन वीडियो देखा है उसमें सुना है आपने, मॉर्निंग में इवनिंग करना है. ओके.
एफर्मेशन सिर्फ मॉर्निंग करने हैं क्या?
एफर्मेशंस मॉर्निंग में करने हैं टू स्टार्ट विथ, और रात को जरूरत नहीं, बट व्हेन यू आर स्लीपिंग नाइट रिचुअल्स में आपको कुछ तो भी अच्छा सुन के ही सोना है. व्हाटएवर मोटिवेट्स यू और समथिंग लाइक दैट, नॉट रियली एफर्मेशंस, because you carry that thought before sleep. So if you carry the stress, क्या हुआ है, कल क्या करना है, then you will not have a proper sleep. So just before sleep, I'll give that night rituals also. And बस ये शुरू करें night rituals का class.
हाँ मैडम.
कितने बजे?
मुझे किसी ने आइडिया किया कि मॉर्निंग रिचुअल सब कर देते हैं, अभी नाइट रिचुअल्स कर दो, भला आप 20 मिनट का ही कर दो।
हाँ हाँ
वही बड़ा
चलो।
ऑडियो सुन
टाइमिंग्स क्या रहेंगे मैम उसके?
हम ही डिसाइड करेंगे क्या है।
आई एम ओके 9:30
11
11 तो
11
आप
बहुत
सो
ज्यादा
जाओ।
होता है, everybody
मैं
does
तो
not
आज
sleep at 11,
नहीं,
9:30 is most of the people sleep by
9:30 to
10.
10
हाँ, most of the
10:30
people
बजे तो सो जाता हूँ मैं।
कितने?
10:30 बजे तो सो जाता हूँ।
हाँ 9:30 to 10 करते हैं ना।
कर दे। First we'll finish this ना। Yeah, and not 30 minutes, maybe we can have only the 15 minutes. वो structured रहेगा ना, then smooth आएगा।
Then 9:45 to 10 तो
Yes.
ताकि हम सो सकते हैं उसके बाद।
Okay, चलो बाय। एबी कौन है? एबी कौन है? एबी?
हाँ
आके घूंगाड़े।
अच्छा। ओके ओके, मेरा एबी कौन आ गया? ओके बाय।